Yesterday you asked your boyfriend, will he go to Emma's birthday party this Sunday? He said, unless you go, I won't. How does he say this in Mandarin? Now let's say the pattern together. 除非 plus the condition. 要不 plus the result, which means unless A, otherwise B. So in this situation, he can say, 除非你去，要不我不去。除非你去，要不我不去。This pattern used to indicate a necessity without which the result will be different. It's like the basic English usage of unless otherwise, and the otherwise cannot be omitted in Mandarin. Now let's see some more examples. 除非开车，要不我们一定会迟到。除非开车，要不我们一定会迟到。除非旧的坏了，要不我不买新的。除非旧的坏了，要不我不买新的。Now let's try to use this pattern to make some sentences. 知道密码，没有人可以进去。除非知道密码，要不没有人可以进去。除非知道密码，要不没有人可以进去。我请客，我不去。除非我请客，要不我不去。除非我请客，要不我不去。Now it's your turn to make some sentences with this pattern. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.